Chicory is a flowering plant from the dandelion family and can be used as a natural coffee flavor. Add cocoa nibs to make a remarkably interesting musty and nutty mocha flavor. Adding a Ceylon cinnamon layer adds a complementary spicy sweetness to make this layered gelato pop truly unique. To make the chicory cocoa layer, scale 30 grams of cocoa nibs, 10 grams of dried chicory, 1 egg yolk, 200 grams of milk, 75 grams of high-fat cream, 40 grams of turbinado-style cane sugar, and add these ingredients to a Ziploc-style freezer bag. To make the cinnamon layer, scale 1 egg yolk, 200 grams whole milk, 75 grams of high-fat cream, 40 grams of turbinado-style cane sugar, a 10-gram piece of Ceylon cinnamon stick that is broken apart, and add these ingredients to another freezer bag. The main benefit to cooking a custard in heat-circulated water, or sous vide, is it allows for exact temperature control to kill any bacteria that may be present in the raw egg, but not to the point of overcooking it. After the custards have cooked, allow them to cool before straining and storing in the refrigerator until ready to use. To make a layered gelato pop, pour one flavor into the mold until half filled and freeze until hard. I use food-safe plastic clamps to hold the sticks in the center of the mold, and once they come out of the freezer, you need to work quickly to add the next layer and put back into the freezer without disturbing the bottom layers. To release the pops from the mold, dip them in hot tap water for 2 or 3 seconds.